Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about user review and rating on product. So let's see how can user add review and rating on product. So first of all, let's create model and migration for review. So switch to the command prompt and for creating the model, just type here the command php artisan make model space model name. Let's say model name is review. It also create a migration, so just write here -m. Now press enter. Alright, model created. Now switch to the project and let's open the migration. So just go inside the database directory in migration and from here just open create reviews table migration. Okay, this one. Now inside this migration, let's add some column. So inside this schema, after this ID, just write here $table arrow data type integer. Alright, column name rating and another column table data type text and add here the column name comment or review. Let's add a comment. Okay, and $table arrow data type big integer and column name order underscore item order item underscore id. Alright, and also add here the unsigned. Okay, now let's add here the foreign key. So right here $table arrow foreign and column name this one order underscore item underscore id and add here the references on id references with id and on order table. Okay, order item tables. So right here on order underscore items table. All right, and on delete cascade. All right, now save this file. Now just open the review model. So just go inside, first of all just copy this table name and go inside the app directory then models, and from here just open review.php file. Okay, and inside this file just add here the table name. So right here protected $table is equal to reviews. All right, now save this file. Now let's add a column inside the order items table. So for that, let's create a migration for adding a new column inside the order items table. So for creating the migration, just type here the command php artisan make migration and add here the migration name, add review status. So I'm just going to write here r status underscore to underscore order underscore items table. Okay, and now also add here the table name. So dash table is equal to order underscore items. All right, now press enter. Okay, migration created. Now switch to the project and let's open the migration. So from the migration directory just open this one. All right, and inside this migration just add here the column r status. So right here $table data type boolean and column name review status. So just write here r status. All right, and also add here the default value default false. All right, now let's copy this and paste inside here, right? Down method. Okay. All right. Now save this file. And now let's migrate this migration. So switch to the command prompt. And for migrating the migration, just type here the command php artisan migrate. All right. Now press enter. Now let's run the application. So just type here php artisan serve. All right. Now switch to the project and just close this migration and also this model. All right. And now let's open the user order details component view file. So just go inside the resources directory, resources, views, livewire, and user. And from here, just open user order details component.blade.php file. All right. And inside this file, let's create a link. Inside this, you can see here, this is the details page. If I click here, you can see here, this is the details page. Okay. So inside this panel, orders items panel, here let's add a link for write review, okay, or add review. So you can see here, this is the for each product names, and inside this for each, after this, let's add here. So I'm just going to copy the Steve and paste here, and now just remove this, and here let's add a link, anchor tag link, anchor tag href as, and here let's add a text write review. Okay. And before this div, let's add here if directive if dollar order status, okay, status is equal to delivered, delivered, and add more condition, one more condition, and dollar item arrow review, sorry, r status is equal to true, sorry, false. If order status is delivered and item r status is equal to false, then show this link, otherwise hide this link. Okay. And here just close the if directive, so right here in if. All right, now save this file. Now let's check this link. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page, and here you can see the right review link. Okay. If I check another order, this time let's check this one. This is the cancelled order. Okay. So click on details, and here you can see there is no any link for right review. Okay. All right. Now let's create a new livewire component. Okay. So switch to the command prompt, and for creating the new livewire component, just type here the command php artisan make colon livewire a space directory name user slash component name. Let's say component name is user review component. All right. Now press enter. Component created. Now run the application php artisan serve. Now switch to the project, and let's create a route for this newly created component. So just go inside the routes directory routes, and from here just open web.php file, and inside this file just go inside the user middleware route group, and after this let's create a route colon get, add here the URI user slash review slash as one parameter which is order underscore item underscore id. Alright, now add here the component name which is user review component, then colon class, add here the route name user dot review. Alright, now save this file, and now let's open the user review component class file. So just go inside the app directory, then http livewire user, and from here just open user review component.php file, and inside this file first of all let's add here the layout, directory name layouts dot layout name which is base. Alright, now save this file. Now here let's create a property. So write here public dollar order underscore this one. Let's copy this parameter, and here just paste here. Alright, now let's add here the mount lifecycle hook method. Okay, public function and mount, and inside this just pass here the parameter order underscore item underscore item id. Now just write here dollar this arrow this one, this property name is equal to this one. Alright, now inside the render method let's fetch here the order item. So create an object here order item is equal to model name order item this one colon find dollar this arrow order underscore item underscore id. Alright, and now let's pass this order item inside the component view. So here just add the big bracket, then order item arrow dollar order item. Alright, now save this file. Now let's open the user review component view file. So from the resources directory, resources, views, livewire user, and from here just open user dash review dash component dot play dot php file. And inside this file, let's create a form here for adding the review and rating. Okay, so first of all, just add here the container. So write here container, and also add some padding. So write here style padding 30 pixel and 0. Alright, now let's add here the row, column empty 12. Okay, now let's add here the form. So I'm just going to copy, let's go to the shop link, and if I click on any product, okay, this is the product details page. Okay, and inside this tab review tab you can see here the form. Okay, and this is the rating. So I'm just going to copy this form. So let's go to the details page, so go to the project, and from the resources directory just open this one details dash component.blade.php file, and inside this file you can see here this is the review section. Alright, and here is the form, Now let's copy this form. So I'm just going to select this div, review from wrapper, form wrapper. Okay, this one. So let's copy this, and inside the user review component of .php file, inside this div, just paste here. Okay. Now from here, let's remove this name and email. All right. Now save this and let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. First go to the details page, and here let's add a link first. So inside the company order details component.php file, inside this href, just write here double curly bracket route, and add here the route name, which is this one, user route review, and also pass here the order item id. So here just add here the double curly bracket order underscore item underscore id, and now just pass here dollar item arrow id. Okay, now save this file. Now switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, syntax error unexpected. Alright, inside this link, okay, just remove this big bracket and add after this. Okay, after this, not here. Now save this file and let's check again. So refresh the page. Okay, now it's working. Now just click on write review link. So just click here, and here you can see the form. Okay, container spelling mistake co. Refresh the page. Okay, now it's looking good. Now here just display the product. Okay, so just go inside the user review component.php file, uh, blade file. Okay, inside this file, and here before this form, let's add this. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this one. So go to the details page, and this is the details page, and from here let's copy this, and inside the user review component blade file, after this wrapper, just paste it. Alright, and now for showing the product image, just add here the product factory name, and after this forward slash double curly bracket, then dollar order item arrow product arrow image. Okay, and just remove the div. Also remove the prescription, and here let's show the product name. So write here double curly bracket dollar order item arrow product arrow name. Okay, and also change here the title, add the review for, and remove this. Okay, now save this file and let's check this. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, and you can see here the product name. Here curly bracket is showing. So let's remove this extra curly bracket. And you can see here the product image, product name, and also remove this text from here. Just remove this p tag. Alright, now it's looking good. Okay, now let's create a function for adding the review. So let's go inside the user review component class file and here, let's create a function for adding the review. So write here public function and function name. Let's say function name is add review. And inside this, first of all, let's add here the validation. So write here $this arrow validate and add here the big bracket, and inside this just add here the property name. So first of all, let's create two property here, public dollar rating and another property which is dollar comment. All right, now let's bind this property with the form. So go to the view file and here this is the radio button for rating. So for binding this, just write here wire column model is equal to, paste here the property name, and now let's copy this and paste inside this radio button. So here and paste here and also paste here. Okay. All right. Now let's copy this property and inside this text area, just add here wire colon model is equal to comment. All right. Now save this. Now inside this file, class file, just add here the property name rating arrow, add here the validation required, and now the validation for comment required. Okay, and after this, and just create an object for review. Review is equal to new model name review dollar review arrow rating is equal to dollar this arrow rating. Okay, this property name. And now dollar review arrow comment column name comment. Okay, comment is equal to dollar this arrow comment, and also set the status review arrow r status true. Now call here the save method function review arrow save. Now put the value inside the session slash add here the key message and add here a message your review has been added successfully. Alright, now let's add here a method public function lifecycle of method updated and pass here the fields dollar this arrow validate only and just pass here this one dollar fields then big bracket and now let's copy this required. Alright, now save this file. Now let's copy this method name and inside the view file, uh, inside this form, let's add here, just remove this action, method post, also remove this and add here wire column submit dot prevent is equal to this function name add review. Alright, and also remove this. Now for showing the validation error message, after this, just write here at the rate error, add here the rating, then span class is equal to text as danger and simply print here the message dollar message. And after this, let's close here and error. Now let's copy this and after this text area, just paste here, change here the name, comment. Okay. Now save this file. Now everything is done. Now let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Go to the my orders. Okay. Now click on details. Alright, now let's add the review for this product. So click on write review. Okay, and here I'm just going to give the rating 4. Okay, and adding the review of this product. Nice product for home. Okay, and now just going to click on submit. One more thing for displaying the session message. Before this form, let's add here at the rate if session has message. Okay, then and if add this, add here a p tag class alert success and also add here the role alert and inside this just print here the message session get message. Okay, this key. Alright, now save this file and now just refresh the page. Okay, now let's add the rating. So give the rating 4 and add here the message nice product home. Okay, and now click on submit. Okay, column not found, R status. Alright. Okay, I am doing here a mistake. R status column is not here. This is inside the order item table. Okay, so just remove this from here, and after this, let's create an object for order item. Order item is equal to order item column find, and inside this, just write here dollar this arrow order underscore item underscore id. Okay, now here just write order item arrow r status is equal to true. Okay, now call here the same method order item arrow same. All right. Okay, now save this file. Now let's check again. So just refresh the page. Now let's add here the rating one more time. So give the rating 4, and add here the review. Nice product for home purpose. Alright, and now click on submit. Alright, order item ID does not exist. Alright, one more mistake here. Order item ID does not have a default value. Okay, just copy this column here. Just add one more dollar review arrow order item order underscore item ID is equal to, just write here dollar this arrow order underscore item underscore id. All right. Okay, now save this file, and one more time let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, now let's add here the rating. Nice product. Click on submit, and this time you can see here the message your review has been added successfully. Okay, let's check inside the database. So let's open the php myadmin, and let's open here the database Laravel 8 ecommerce db. And let's browse the reviews table. You can see here the reviews table. So click on browse, and you can see here the rating comment. Okay, of order item ID, which is 1. Okay, and if I check the order items table, you can see here the R status 1. All right. Okay, now let's go to the product details page, and if I refresh the page, you can see here the review right review link is not showing for this product. Okay. All right, so in the same way you can write review for this product. So I'm just going to click here, and let's add a review for this product also. This time rating 5, Alright, and add here the comment. Very nice. Headphone. Alright, now click on submit. Review added, and if I refresh the page, you can see here the both reviews. Okay. Alright, so in this way you can create ad review and rating for on product. So that's all about user review and rating on product. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.